A topic that comes up almost every time, especially from sellers, when they get that repair request from the buyer, you're right, that second round of negotiations, is should we do a credit or should we do the work? How do we handle it? Hey guys, I'm Dan Beer here, Beer Home Team, eXp Realty. I just want to share that you most want to, whenever possible, you want to handle repair agreements via credit. And the reason you want to do it via credit versus doing the actual work or whatever's been asked, whatever you're going to agree to. And of course, you can negotiate, you don't have to do it all. In fact, you should be getting really expert guidance from your agent in terms of what's likely to come up from any buyer should you lose the current one. That's the way I think about it. And what is just some kind of whackadoodle thing that this particular buyer is asking for that you don't need to be doing, and just simply say no. But once you're through those negotiations, and yes, I did say whackadoodle, once you're through those negotiations, all you have to do is, in my mind, bring it back to a credit rather than the work. Because when you give a credit, whether it be $100, $1,000, or any other number, you cannot argue with it, right? You can't give $100 incorrectly. You can't do $1,000 the wrong way. But the work itself, right, you can end up in arguments about whether it was done to their taste or if it was in a craftsman-like manner. It just opens up more gray area, more room for interpretation, and more room for argument and disagreement. So whenever possible, have your agent get a credit done versus doing the work. And by the way, it saves you a ton of time, and time is money. I'm Dan Beer here with the Beer Home Team at eXp Realty. I hope you find that helpful. Look forward to seeing you.